you join me today at 3 p.m. on Monday the 13th of March. And yes, we are in Le Campabus. I decided let's go for a drive to the coast. I won't be camping tonight because the weather is so atrocious, but I just thought it would be good for the heart, soul and mind just to get down next to the sea, park up for a little bit and watch the waves. I'll have the drone with me and I was going to fly the drone, but unfortunately the clouds are looking pretty black towards the coast. They're looking very angry, like a crocodile with no toothbrush. Get a look at the sky over that way. Yeah, don't think there's going to be any drone flying today. So here you have it, we are here. I've come back across to Camas, where I have camped a few times, well, twice before. Once with Shagpile and once on my own. And yeah, back again. Ooh, we have some updates to Le Campabus. Get a look at this. So as you can see, I have sort of tiled, or fake tiled, the kitchen splashback. So we've got the kitchen bench here and we have the splashback here. Also, we have some remote control lights. So we have some LED lights that actually run off the, what's it called? Leisure battery, that's the word. So these run off the leisure battery and not the van battery itself. And like I say, they are remote control and we can go all different colours. We can have a little bit of a party going on. Look at that. And they are also dimmable. So I can turn them right down. Oh, that's starting to make it flicker, look at that. And turn them up. Or off. Or back on. So that is something that I really wanted to do for a while, is to actually get some LED lighting that ran off the leisure battery. Because the lights that I have in here, the blue lights and the white lights that I normally use, they run off the van battery. Now, if I forget to switch them off and I fall asleep, we won't be able to start the van. So we will be kind of stuck. But if I forget to switch these off, because the LED and because it's running a leisure battery, I should be able to leave them on for a few days and not actually run the leisure battery down to a point where it's broken. But even if I did, we could still start the engine of Le Campabus and get to where we need to be, which would normally be home. So yeah, this is the Campabus as it stands right now. I don't like this flooring, so I'm going to cover this with carpet, which is a similar colour to this, and that will be the next job. And then after that, it is just about done. So I just thought I would open the back doors to let you have a look at what it's like down the beach. Not too nice. Very windy, very cold, and yeah, we keep getting spitting on of rain. So the drone, unfortunately, will not be flying today. But anyways, I think I'm just going to have a sit here for half an hour. Yeah, the rain's starting again. Anywho, yeah, I'm going to have a sit here for half an hour, listen to the waves. Wish the weather was better so I could get down on the beach, but I'm not walking out in that, no. And yeah, relax my mind, body and soul. Yeah, even though I'm not going outside, it's still nice just to have a lie here and look at the waves. Yeah, this rain is no joke today, guys. I will not be going out walking in that. But I will admit, I did have myself a little snooze there. Probably half an hour's shut eye. If you can hear a clicking and fans going, it's the diesel heater, which is fitted just up here. It's fitted in the box above the driver's seat. So yeah, that's what the noises you've been hearing are, apart from the noise that this bus makes anyways, because it's a big old rattly bus, but I love it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna head off home now, because I ain't going nowhere and that. Not happening. And I think on that note, that will do it for today's video. Sorry it's just been a short one, that's what she said. And yeah, see you all in the next one. And now it's time to do your job.